Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Friday to everybody. So today I have a tiny haul from Bath & Body and also a couple of things that I got from Amazon in preparation for my Easter decor. So I will start off with, let's see, I'll show you my Bath & Body. I did have to use up my coupon or my rewards that I earned was expiring, so I had to use it. So I did get another candle, and this one's really cute. And I actually like getting them online because they come in this box, which is always nice in case you want to gift it to somebody. So I got this one right here. It's pink watermelon. It's from their White Barn. And I just thought this would be fun for Easter because I love the packaging, and also for summer because it does smell like watermelon, and it really does smell like watermelon, you guys. So just like the watermelon candy that my daughter and I love to eat. So I thought that was really cute. So I thought that would look really cute with my decor. So I got that. And of course, that's the 3-wick candle. And then to go along with that, it's this cute little bunny. And you put it around or to hang with your candle. So look how cute this is. Is that not adorable? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like this. His face is a little smushed because he's supposed to be, his cheek is supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be like flushed against here, but that's how it looks. So look how cute. He just hangs on there. Is that not adorable? So I got one, and then one for my sister. And then I did get this. I love getting these because they hold a lot, and it's so cute. Look at this. It has a strawberry on top, and I know someone who would like this. So someone who loves pink as much as I do. So look how roomy that is inside. It almost looks like a little backpack, but of course it's like I guess it's a cosmetic bag. And yeah, so I did get that. How cute, right? From Amazon. I wanted to get a table runner for Easter. I guess this is the company that makes it, Kaylee. Look how cute that is. She has little hearts on top of the eye. That's so cute. So anyway, it was wrapped in this twine, so of course I can save this twine and use it. But I got this table runner, and it's going to be a little hard to show, but it's burlap, you guys. And I thought it'd be perfect for Easter. I think I need to iron it. I don't think you can wash burlap, can you? I don't know. I've only used burlap for crafting, but I don't know. I just love the burlap look, the woodsy look, rustic. You guys know I'm kind of into that stuff. I thought it would look really cute. So this is, I think it's 72 inches long and about 13 inches wide. But I love the ruffles. I fell in love with it, and I was so happy that I waited to get a runner because I was looking at other ones that were more colorful, and I think this is just gonna go better. And it's just more versatile. I can use it for Easter. I can use it for Thanksgiving. It also came with the placemats. And look, you guys, how cute is this? Now, the reason I got this is because I saw something very similar at hobbylobby.com. And when I went to try to get it, it was sold out online. Like they just could not ship it. So they may have it in the stores, but I purchase everything online nowadays. So I found it on Amazon, and it was great. It was perfect. So I think for both the set Came out to about $28, you know, free shipping, of course, because it's Amazon Prime. But I did, it did come with a set of 4 of these. So they're a little bit wrinkled right now. So like I said, I'm probably going to iron it, and it's perfect because then I can use my, my press, my easy press. But look how cute it is. I just fell in love with the scallop edges. I was seriously going to make one myself, but look how perfect these pleats are. I don't think I can sew that perfectly. So I got that. And from Michaels, oh, I forgot. I did get one thing from Michaels online, and it's going to go perfectly with those placemats. Look, you guys. They're chargers. I have several chargers. I have a red one. I have a gold one. They're just great, you know, to decorate your table setting. But I love it because look, it's scalloped. They have different ones at Michaels online, but I think this is one of their newer ones. And I want to say, I think it comes in a silver as well. But anyway, this is the white, but it kind of looked a little bit silver online if you look at the picture. And I know now why, because it has, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it has a pearl finish. And that is why when the light picks it up, it kind of looks gray or silver. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, you guys. And this is how the back looks. It's by Ashland, and it's their spring line. And it's $2.99 for one, but when I got it, it was actually on sale, which is great. So I believe I paid $1.99 each. So I did get 6 of them. Should have been 8. But anyway, I got 6 of them, and I looked at all of them. They are pretty, and they look great. The way it's painted and everything is really nice, and I loved the scallop and the details, the little beaded details on the edges. So anyway, that is my haul for today. Stay tuned. I do have a project share, so that will be on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great Friday.